I, Ana Teresia Ontiveros Baraquel, Maestranza Street, Matamoros Village, Tiliman, Quezon City, having been elected Senator of the Republic of the Philippines, do hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same as a member of a strong and independent Senate, that I will stand on the side of human rights, due process, and participatory democracy at all times, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, that I will listen to the people from whom my mandate emanates, that I will dedicate my office to the service of the marginalized and basic sectors, uphold the dignity of women, reject violence and oppression, in support of our collective aspirations for a just and equal society, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. Para kay Inang Bayan. So help me God.
Congratulations, Madam Senator.